Hello, everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I get back with another Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn that how we can increase the sharpness. To duplicate the layer, press Ctrl plus J short key. Right click on the layer and convert it into a smart object. Then go to the filter, other, high pass. Adjust the radius. The advantage of making the object smart object is that it is non-destructive, and you can make changes again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. Leave your suggestions on which you want me to make a tutorial for you.